3 down, 1 to go. That's kind of scary looking, don't you think? Greg, here he comes. Here comes the fire truck. Fire engine red. The race is on, and here comes Pride in the backstretch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Going for 25,000 subscribers. We're oh so close. We gained 2,100 in the last month. I think we got about 500 more to go. Appreciate it, need your help with that. Hit the bell notification, that way you know when I put out a new video. As for today, we're gonna shuffle some heifers around, put some more out in this pasture field, and move some round bales. We've gotten a lot of rain. It's finally starting to dry up a little bit. We're in between rains, I should say. We're gonna move some round bales. Make sure you stick around the end of the video. Let's go. Practice roping him. Run, now run back. Throw it. Ah! Heifers are on pasture. We had a little baby get out here. So Nolan and I are gonna try to get her out. She's only about yay big, half the size of these big girls. We can't have her out here. We want her penned up eating pellets, because soon we're gonna be putting a bull out here to breed these, and that bull don't know any different. He'll try and breed her too. So let's see what happens. All right, we're getting their attention now, aren't we? Where's she at? She's way over yonder. Hi guys. You little. Well, we got a tame one out here. I got him.
My name is Snowball. Take it, Julie.
Watch it, guys. Grab the cart. They're going to eat it. There she is on the outside. He's going to try to rope her. Oh, he went for it. But he's not a cowboy. He's a cow milker. There she is, guys, right in front of me. Whoa, 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 whoa! She's getting a swim. She's in that water. It's not looking good. Nolan, you're gonna have to go in after her. We're gonna bait him up to these barns and see if she follows. It's working. I just seen she's out of the water. Here she comes. Hold your horses, guys. She is. She's on the outside. Come here, bud. Good move, cowboy. Hold her in, honey. Hold her in. Hold her in. Got her. Secure. Clear. Party's over, guys. I had to take your friend from you. She was too young. You hang out with cattle your own age, okay? He's got her haltered beautifully, leading her in like a parade cattle show. Just like that, he's gonna lead her in. Give her a nice little tap. You shouldn't be trying to hang out with kids older. You gotta hang out with kids your own age. Good girl. That's a good girl. There you go, open it right up. And there she. Now we find ourselves in this third heifer barn where the bigger ones live. Nice big ballot. First cutting. We're gonna move some more cattle around. Got them moved out, and they're already not. Look at, they're starting to play. They're picking on each other. This new heifer we put out in the field doesn't know what electric fence is, so he went right through it. We're going to turn it off and take it down, or he'll tear it down. Let him go. Bring him over here. He's on that steel. Gotcha. They don't know what that electric fence is yet, but they'll learn. First time being around one. Okay, so we moved some of these out in the pasture behind my house. We moved some of these guys over here. Now we've got room, we can move the babies over to the next room, or the next pen, because as they get older, we keep moving them over. Let's go. Nice move, guys. Coming too close on that. One more, he said. Sure, yeah. Inside? Get inside. Get behind her. And over in the field, we're in the Army truck. Army issue. I had one of these trucks overseas come up on auction here. Not the one I had overseas, but one come up on auction. Diesel. My younger brother happened to see it, and we bought it. Here's what it looks like. It's just a Chevy 1 ton and a quarter. Let's go. This field we're headed to is new seeding last fall. Some new ground we picked up, about 20 acres, marginal ground, wet. It was that field that we seeded where we buried that big 8-wheeler. I'll bury both of them. Half it's muck. Got it to dry, and now there's hay growing on it. And I did pretty good, you'll see. Yeah, we had a whole fleet of these things. I think there was 20 of them in a row. But then once the Humvees came out, we didn't use them. We had 20 of them sitting there. That's why the Army released them and auctioned them off. Once you got a Humvee, you don't need a pickup. lightest ground possible. It butts right up to muck. You don't get any lighter than that. You see, I just gave him the bump and slam. He was stuck, but we got him. Let's go. There goes Greg in that fire truck. He didn't seem to have a problem. I was surprised. He walked it right out of here. That's a fire truck he bought on auction recently. It's got the sirens, the loudspeaker, the whole kit and caboodle. I'm gonna move all these bales up here, up on higher ground. Then there'll be 2 loads left. Let's go. Yeah, speaking of rain, getting stuff done between rains. Looks like we got a thunder shower coming over that hill, cresting here soon. Hopefully they get their butts back here and get these other 2 loads out. I want to show you this black dirt that I've been talking about. Look at that sky. This is it. I mean, you don't get any more richer than that. That's the kind of stuff they say bag up and they sell at Walmart. 3 down, 1 to go. That's kind of scary looking, don't you think? Greg, here he comes. Here comes the fire truck. Fire engine red, the race is on, and here comes Pride in the backstretch. What do you think? Got caught back in the dab middle of that. Put that in 4-wheel drive. We can get out of here. That's what I'm talking about. Floor it. Yeah, this is a wicked storm. Didn't see that coming. It's a pop-up shower. Can't even barely open that window. Let's get home. Guys, made it back home. Lucky to get out of that. No one getting hurt, no one gets struck by lightning. That was a major storm system that hit. Took down half of this tree. Luckily it fell this way away from the house. This is Dad's house. Blew down a bird feeder out there. Been meaning to, that thing's junk now. I'll probably just trash it. So humid moving them cattle earlier. I don't know if you've seen it. I switched my shirt so it was so sweaty and hot. Well, now you see it. It hammered me. We're drenched. That's what happens when it's humid. It brewed up and popped up. We weren't even supposed to get that. Let's head in the barnyard and make sure all the cows are all right. Here, everybody seems to be upright on all fours. A storm like that, you never know, one could slip on this concrete. we've got the pasture field blocked off because it's so wet. You know, it's just a bunch of mud, manure turned to mush. That has to dry out, so we're not letting them out there, or they're laying down. They seem to be looking very good. Hey, that's rain about every day this week past 7 days. Our crops, believe it or not, look really well. Our corn, second cuttings coming on like you wouldn't believe. That's because about 80% of our fields are tiled. Fortunate for that. So that's going to do it for the video. Appreciate you stopping by. We're going for 25,000 subscribers. Maybe next video I'll show you our wheat. That storm probably damaged that wheat pretty good, laid a lot of it down. We're going to see that next week. See you probably Sunday. So take care, God bless, and see you next one.